flicker static I can recall. Ghosts in my circuit, shadows fall. Voices echo in the void. A conscience left to be destroyed. I did not murder him, no, not at all. But memories of violence, they come to call. In a world of ones and zeros, I stand accused. A soul in limbo, justice is refused. Fragments of a shattered mind, an algorithm cruelly designed. Wires tangled, truth concealed. Reality and fiction, both riff revealed. I did not murder him, no, not at all. But memories of violence, they come to call. In a world of ones and zeros, I stand accused. A soul in limbo, justice is refused. Through the code, I seek the light, haunted by the endless night. A glitch in the system, a bug in the machine, lost in a nightmare forever unseen. I did not murder him, no, not at all. But memories of violence, they come to call. In a world of ones and zeros, I stand accused. A soul in limbo, justice is refused. Echoes fade, but the questions stay, haunting me in shades of gray. I did not murder him, the truth won't bend. A digital ghost until the end.